Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to put on and take off the belt on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. As you can see, this is what you get from the package, except for the charger that is not here. If you want your watch to be worn on your left hand, this button should be on your right. Take this part, bear in mind this is metal, and clip it here on the top. Match the metal thing with the hole here and click. Same thing with the bottom part. Bear in mind this is metal. Put it in hole and then click on it. If you want to take it off, click firmly on this button all the way down and then drag it out. The same on the bottom part. Firmly and then drag. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.